Hey, it's Rich, the Louisiana Hobby Guy. Today we're continuing on our interviews of laser manufacturers from the ISA Sign Expo 2024, and up next is part 4, which is going to be full spectrum laser. So let's get started. Okay, so I know a lot of you have been waiting to hear about full spectrum laser. We've talked about it before, and we are here today with Walker, who is the sales rep here at the show, and he's going to give us some information on the full spectrum lasers. Hello, Walker.
Hey everyone. So what makes us different as in the laser industry, I would say, is that we're always pushing the bounds. When it comes to software, hardware, we create everything in-house. We make our body panels with lasers. We're laser nerds that make lasers. So we sell all sorts of lasers. We sell metal cutting lasers, CO2 lasers we started back over 10 years ago. We started making lasers in the garage. We took Chinese lasers, made them better with our software. So we are the software guys. Now, then we got into building hardware, and we got further and further into making lasers. Now, when it comes to what we're pushing now, what we're really into is our UV lasers. Our UV lasers do all sorts of things that a normal UV laser doesn't do. Most people know UV lasers when it comes to probably like the small diode lasers on gantry systems. But we also do the Galvo UV lasers. And what's different is our software can actually do 3D objects inside of glass. The subsurface glass is what makes us different.
That is incredible.
And essentially it's like 3D printing. You start from the bottom and you go up, creating micro bubbles inside of the glass. And that's because we used to make, SLA 3D printers. And we took that code, implemented it into our software, and now the UV lasers can do it. Next step, not only taking a STL file and turning it into a lasered object in subsurface and glass, we can take just a simple photo of you, and the software will turn it into a 3D design. So it's sort of next level stuff when it comes to the UV lasers. Lots of people in the trophy industries like it, and all sorts of different applications. The spot size on this on the UV laser is 3 times smaller than your CO2. So quality is going to be significantly more higher resolution. Man, it's a long day at this trade show.
I believe that.
Yeah.
So I see you have a integrated enclosure with the system.
Yeah, we started off with open systems like everybody else, and then we provided additional enclosures. But then we were like, let's just throw it all in one unit. Let's not worry about goggles. Let's have some safety features built into the lid. And yeah, all that acrylic keeps everything nice, and so you don't have to wear goggles, and everything's safe.
And I see it's also got autofocus and motorized Z.
Yeah, autofocus is a big thing, and then even without autofocus, the way we've done it with 2 lasers coming together to manual focus makes it really, really simple. The touch screen's a nice addition because it's just so user-friendly, and it's nice to get tangible with the actual laser and function and using it. And then that goes hand in hand with the software. Now the software, we've been writing for over 10 years, and it just keeps getting better and better and better. And the difference, I would say, from us to others is we make the software, we make the hardware. We're specifically designing its parameters and pushing the bounds all the time.
So Walker, if they want to find out more about full spectrum, where should they go on the web?
So go to fslaser.com. That's the best place for purchasing, seeing all our information, and then YouTube. Check out our YouTube. We've got over 400 videos showing all you know, applications, free projects. If you're a CO2 guy, anything like that, YouTube's the place to go.
Okay, well, thank you so much, Walker, for joining us today here at the show. And everybody go over to fslaser.com and take a look at their website, go to their YouTube channel, and we're going to move on to the next company now.